All right, we are at the GAWDA SMC. We're in the Solution Source booth with Brian Sutter. Brian, thank you so much for being with us today.
Good to be with you.
So can you tell us, let's start with, what would you like GAWDA members to know about Solution Source?
Yeah, well, I could talk about software and features all day, but I think there are really three things to know about Solution Source, and the first one is, we take the time to focus on what your business needs are and get to know you as a customer and be your partner. And so that's a big reason why, over 95% of all the customers we've ever implemented are still active customers today. And so we're really proud of that number. So then I'd say the second thing is, we're here to help. So we're actually the second oldest NetSuite partner in the world. And our staff knows the system inside and out. They're NetSuite certified. And at the end of the day, they really care. And so that when you reach out to us, we're going to be there to and help you out. And then the last thing is we really know how to deliver. So we have what's called our proven process. And what that really means is we have 0 failed implementations. We've been doing this a long time. And so we know how to deliver implementations as well as managed services and any custom development you need.
So for a lot of people, when you talk about software, it's like you're talking Greek to them. So what is it about Solution Source that's different from other software that helps you get that 95% customer retention?
Yeah, that's a great question because there are a lot of options out there, and we're not for everybody. So I would say if you don't necessarily want to engage with somebody to talk about your business processes, maybe we're not for you. But I would say if you want your IT to really be a differentiator, if you want a partner to engage with you on what your business processes are, then we should talk. So I think being a partner is a big differentiator for us. And then the other thing I would say is just the platform itself that we developed for, which is NetSuite. So NetSuite is an ERP platform that over 40,000 organizations use around the world, and so what that means is you get the best-in-class accounting functionality and dashboards and automation and eCommerce, and there are all of these great out-of-the-box features that really leverage the best of what the NetSuite platform has to offer. And then as a solution provider, a NetSuite solution provider, then we can build on that NetSuite foundation. And in a lot of cases, we have the out-of-the-box functionality that distributors in this industry need, but we kind of take it the last mile and really make sure the NetSuite platform works the way your business specifically needs it to.
So last question for you, Brian. You work with a wide variety of GAWDA members. Are there any trends that you're kind of seeing emerge throughout the industry that you think viewers should be aware of?
Yeah, so one big thing, obviously eCommerce is big for a lot of folks, and so we've got some customers that are doing some really cool things with NetSuite's built-in eCommerce platform, and we have out-of-the-box things that make that work especially well for gas distributors. Obviously, delivery and routing is a big thing too, and so we have a couple options there, with varying levels of complexity. So we actually have one option that's totally inside of NetSuite that we're really excited about and think gets to the heart of what a lot of distributors really need. And telemetry, obviously that's really big too. We have a number of existing integrations to different telemetry options. And then the last thing, like a lot of industries, companies want to do more with their data. And so we have some really cool analytics tools that are helping companies take the next level and really get the most out of their data to make better decisions.
Perfect. Well, a really complex topic made simple by Brian. Thank you so much for having us, and thank you for your continued support of GAWDA and GAWDA Media.
Thank you, Steve.
Thank you.